Hello and welcome to our little moment with this new block. It's called Road to El Paso, and I'm choosing three colors: the green, the bluish and the yellow. So for this block you will cut 6 pieces of A, 10 pieces of B, 2 pieces green like this, but you make them like triangles, 2 pieces B, and 8 pieces B, which I choose yellow. So I choose the same color as the square here, but I changed the pink one to a blue one instead. So you will find a link to the pattern on my website, and I will link it below in the description. So, and I hope if you enjoy this video that you give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe, because I am going to put up more videos like this, and I'm going to put up sewing videos and other fun craft videos. So enjoy. How it looks where I live. We have almost 20 below zero Celsius. This is my view from my crafting room. So it's really cold outside. You don't want to go out almost for the whole winter here. So I will start in the center of this square and put these together. I first make them, and then I put this together and this together, and then I sew them all together. Starting with the triangle, I will put 2 of these together like so, and then I will add this like so. Like so. Like so. Now I'm putting these together and these together. Now I'm pressing it and I sew these both together. Like this. Now I'm going to press it. So I'm really new to video making, and I need a lot of tips from you people. Let me know what you think of the video. What can I do to make them better? What do you want to watch more of? I appreciate every comment, even if it's a bad one. Please leave them. Bye bye. Now we are going to make 8 squares from triangles the yellow and the pink, and I have yellow and blue. I don't have pink, I have the blue there. So let's go do that. 8 squares with 2 triangles in each we are going to put together. Like this. Make 8 like this. So now I'm sewed together all these 8 pieces. 8 like this. Now you're going to sew 2 pieces together so it will form a kind of flying geese. You make 4 like this. So like this. Like this. It goes like this together later on. So you make 4 block pieces like this, and then you're going to put 2 of these pieces like this, and the other one goes here. Like so. The next piece that looks like this will go on this side. Now I will go and press it. So now we have this piece ready. So now we are going to sew. We have these ready and this ready. Now we're going to put 2 square at each end of the flying geese on 2 like this. This, and put one here and one there like this. So now we're putting this together with this and this together like this. This might not be the correct way to do it, but it works for me. It's my way, so you can do as you want to. Like so. And you put the other side there. And so you have your block ready. Roll to El Paso. I intended to sew it together with my Bernina, but I took my Zoya instead because I liked it better with that machine. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Thank you. And of course, you can get the pattern from the link below the description.